Today's video is going to be about how to secure a outward opening door. Usually the doors are designed to open inward, but if yours open out, I will show you how to make it more secure.
Right now, the door is closed, but here's the problem. A thief could simply remove the pins from these hinges, one at the top, one at the bottom, and then just open the door. If your door has a lock like this, all a thief needs is a butter knife to manipulate the lock, and the door would just pop right open, letting anyone enter. So if you have an outward swinging door, I'm going to show you a simple solution to this problem. Hopefully this trick will save your house from being broken into. I'm going to secure this door with a barrel bolt. Here's the barrel bolt I bought. It's perfect for securing doors, cabinets, and gates. It can be used in either a right-handed or left-handed application. Installing this is very easy and it only requires 4 screws. Let's get started with the installation. First, I will show you how to install the bolt by the lock. I'm using a drill and you'll want to make sure everything is level. I got lucky with this door. It was solid enough that I didn't need anchors. I was able to just screw the bolts in directly and they're holding onto the solid wood of the door. It's important to install one barrel bolt by the lock and another by the back of the door, near the hinges. If you only install one by the lock, someone could still pry open the door if you manage to remove the hinge pin. So 2 barrel bolts will give you added security. Before you drill the hole onto the barrel bolt, make sure to mark. This is important because it ensures everything lines up correctly. If you have a drill bit set, picking the right size bit for the bolt should be easy. Drill the hole carefully. Make sure it's the right size. You want it to snug, but not too tight, because if it's too tight, the bolt won't operate smoothly. See how easily the bolt slides in? That's the perfect fit. Now, let's do the same for the second barrel bolt. Remember, install the bolt handle facing down. If you install it facing up, someone could potentially manipulate it and open the door. Facing it down ensures it won't move, even if the door is shaken. Once both barrel bolts are installed, you are done with this part. Now, you'll be able to secure your outward opening door from both sides. Let's test it out. Here, I am unlocking the door and trying to open it with the barrel bolt in place. The door is secure, and it opens and closes without any issue. Now, let's see what would happen if a thief tried to break in. I'm going to remove the hinge pins from the outside, just like a thief would. Normally, they would take the pins out, unlock the door, and pry to pull it open. As you can see, even with the hinge pins removed, the door unlocked. The barrel bolt keeps the door from opening. I can shake the door, but it won't budge. The bolt holds the door firmly in place. So that's it. With this barrel bolt installed, your outward opening door is much more secure. Even if a thief tries to remove the hinge pins, they won't be able to pry the door open. Please don't forget to like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you for watching.